Wow, a very fancy KFC. Good morning. I'm here in front of the Ekkamai BTS station, turning into Sukhumvit Soi 63, which is better known as Ekkamai. It's early morning, 6:45, and I wanted to show you guys this part of the city. We used to live in Sukhumvit Soi 42, which is across the street from here. As I mentioned, it's early morning. The lights are coming in a little bit. It's almost like sunset. This is Bourbon Street. Very nice American restaurant. The owner's from Louisiana. Yeah, this street really changed a lot. Park Lane. It's a small shopping center with restaurants. When we lived here, it's about 9 years ago. The Gateway Mall wasn't open yet, and Ekkamai was a little bit, for your feeling, a little bit further away from the city center, but now it's definitely inside the center. This is the Maru. A lot of new building complexes here built. And this is one of those streets, you know, if you don't come here for 1 or 2 years, it completely changed and it's completely different. Yeah, I decided to make a few more bike videos through all the side streets of Sukhumvit. Also to give people a little bit of an idea how it looks. Traffic is reasonable now. I remember when we lived here, traffic was always horrible. I was always stuck here. So here you have an Index Living Mall and a Big C. Yeah, the advantage of riding early morning, of course, is that there is a lot less traffic. Here there used to be a very nice chicken restaurant, was like a beer garden setup. But they are building a big construction building now here, unfortunately. Yeah, that's one of the things, of course, of the new development, that there's a lot of authentic Thai restaurants and Thai areas that disappear and get replaced by big high-rises. This is the only traffic light here inside of Sukhumvit 63. So here to the right you have Ekkamai Soi 12, and to the left is Ekkamai Soi 5, which is the same as Thong Lo 10. And there's a big nightlife area here in the back. But of course that's not doing anything at the moment. Big open space here. So I guess there's gonna be, you know, next time when I'm here, there's probably gonna be a 30-story high new building that I've never seen before. like this one. This is the first time I see this one. Wow, a very fancy KFC. Here's gonna be a there's gonna be a shopping center here. Yeah, so today you guys are with me exploring. This is also why I love riding around on a bicycle, because it gives me a very good idea of new projects that are going on in the city. So what I will do is I will check these new buildings, what type of apartments do they have there, and if it fits with the criteria of what our company does, then I will we will get in touch with them and get the units from there. Here's a new parking space. It's just parking, which I guess, especially for the weekend, normally this is a big area where you have a lot of bars and restaurants where you can go and have a drink. So I guess there is need for parking in here. Also a new building project here from Sena. Sena is a company that's constructing really a lot of lower budget apartments. If you're looking for a good offer, at the moment here there's very cheap apartments, and the reason is because it's a bit further away from the BTS station, but they have a free tuk-tuk service to and from the Ekkamai BTS station. So, and this building is called the Sea. Okay, so we are getting here to the end of Ekkamai. This is where it almost gets to Petbury. And this bridge is going over the Khlong Saen Saeb. And I'm gonna go through here, because I am gonna go towards the Khlong. So if you would like to go to Petbury Road, you can take this exit here. But you know, I love to ride along the Khlong, so I'm on my way there now. Yeah, I always love to come in this direction. So this is the Khlong Saen Saeb, and then you have a very nice temple here. So here under this part of the bridge, there's also a nice park. But nobody uses this because it's in between all these roads. Anyway, if you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe. You can press the like button. You can even leave me a comment. And see you guys in my next video.